Madison and Tipton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central Indiana. For this afternoon and tonight, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible through most of the afternoon. By early evening, a line of thunderstorms will move through central Indiana. Damaging wind gusts will be possible within this line of thunderstorms. The best chances for severe weather will be between 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be possible tonight. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 528, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Madison, and Tipton. Remember,